In this video, we are going to learn how to get monthly high price for a stock in a particular year using Google Sheet. We can see that from January to December, we have monthly high price data available for all these selected scripts. We are going to understand how to frame formula for getting monthly high price. So first you need to go through this video, that is how to get dates of all-time high price automatically using Google Sheet. Sheet containing formula for that is already shared along with that video. In this video, we are going to learn how to get all this monthly high price data automatically using Google Sheet. So let's get started. So first we understand how it works. I select here year, say 2024, and shortly we'll see that the data get populated automatically. So here for year 2024, data is available from January to December. Now I select year 2025. So I select year 2025 and automatically data will be populated. So data is available till October. For November and December, data will get populated once we reach to those months. So now let's understand formula that we have to write. Here I have shown the formula that we created earlier in that video about how to get all-time high price. So that is from this date till today's date. So this formula will find out all-time high price from 1st January 1999 till today's date. So we already learned how to frame this formula. So we are going to use that formula in this video, and we are going to convert that formula from all-time high price to monthly high price. So our focus will be on changing this date which is in blue color and changing this date which is in red color. So now let's understand formula for January month. So you can see here that formula. So formula is exactly same, only start date and end date is changed. So in the start date, we can see here what formula we have written. We use date formula where we specify year, month and day. For each month, our day will be first. So 1st January, year is $C $1, which is here $C $1. So that year we are taking. Now, obvious, if you want to get data for say January, it should start from 1st January till 31st January. So for end date, we are going to use one trick that for the end date, we consider 1st February. So we have this first, then month is February, then we deduct -1. So that will give us exactly date that is required for January. So in this way, we create formula for January month. Now for February, we just copy formula from here and we paste into this cell and we change only months from start date and end date. So here you can see that month was 1st and here month was 2nd for the end date for January month. For February month, the start month will be 2, that is 2nd, and the end month will be 3. So that will give us result for February. So in this way, we are going to do for all the months except December. Because for December, to get 31st December, we need to use date as 1st January 2026. So let's see that formula. So again, we copy formula from here for November month. We paste exactly same formula here and we change the start date as December 2025, that is year. And now for end date, we use this year, which is $C $1 plus 1. So for 2025, it will give us 2026 and month will be 1. All remaining things will as it is. Once we do this, we have created formula for one particular script. Next, what we have to do? So let me first delete this formula. I'm just deleting it. And now from here, I copy formula from January to December at all the places. And once I do that, shortly we'll see that all required data get populated automatically. So if I change this year, if I say, for example, 2006, you'll see that data will get loaded automatically. So let's see about 2025. And now let's validate whether this data is correct or not. So as an example, I take Infosys. Month is September, where high price is 1555. So I go to any site which displays daily data. So I go to this site called chart link. I have opened for Infosys, and let's try to find out this price called 1555 in month of September. So we go here from 1st September. You can see here, you can easily see that from September 1st till this 1st October, between this, where is the highest candle? So which appears to be here. So you can see here it is here on this candle, and for that you can see high price. We get that high price as 1555. You can see here that is here 1555. Let's also validate it for October. So October it is 1449.5. So for month of October, which is from this, like in last 2 days, you can see here it is this particular candlestick. So on that day, high price is 1449, which is shown here like this. So in this way, we can get monthly high price data for any stock listed on NSE using Google Sheet. You can use this to create your stock analysis too. Let me know in the comment section how this video was useful to you. For what other problems you use this formula to create your analysis tool. Thanks for watching and happy learning. We'll see you in the next video.